Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, today before I start what we are going to do in today's class, I have brought how many patterns can you recognize, which is related to our today's topic. And today what we are going to do, that is something related to patterns. Now what is pattern? First I'll give you an introduction of pattern. What is pattern? Pattern means something which comes repeatedly for doing some decoration or some formation we are using again and again. Might be of you all have seen that some kind of a pattern in our dress material also, in our clothing also, and but many kind of a pattern we will found in our nature. So today children, before we'll start the class, I have brought few of the pictures and we will do this activity that how many patterns can you recognize. That I'll show you some of the pictures and you have to tell me that whether you have recognized that from where this pattern has came or not. So let's start with the first picture. Now what is this from? You can see this pattern. Have you ever seen this pattern, from where it has came? Any guesses? I hope you all have done some guess and your answer is correct also. It comes from leaf. It comes from a leaf. Right? Leaf of any plant that forms a particular pattern. The pattern which is given by our nature, by our mother nature, and that pattern, every leaf has its own pattern. It is not like that every plant or every leaf has same pattern. Every leaf has different pattern and you can see this pattern. As you can see this leaf, that parallel lines were also there and then crisscross pattern is also inside that leaf. So that different pattern was given by our mother nature, and these pattern we are extracting today. We are going to find it out different pattern from our nature only. So now children will take our next slide. Can you see this pattern? You often find it out this pattern in your clothing also. So my question is, where does this pattern come from? This pattern, you can see the pattern in the picture. From where does this pattern come? Any guesses? See the pattern carefully and then you can tell me the answer. Where does this pattern come from? कहाँ से आया है? कोई भी ऐसी नेचर की कोई भी ऐसी चीज where you have seen this pattern. Any guesses? Fine. Children, now I'll show you from where we will get this pattern. See, a zebra. A zebra is forming that pattern. Black and white stripes are there and that pattern was formed by a zebra. See children, these patterns are already there in our surrounding, there in our nature, and today we are going to see different patterns from our nature only. That different colors you can see in our nature, different flowers of different types, different size, different leaves, different types of trees. You can find it out many of things, and all the animals, like if you can see this black and white stripes were there in zebra. So in tiger you have yellow and black. Fine. In giraffe, if you will see, you will find it out that dotted pattern, and just like that and so on. In many of birds also you will find it out different patterns. Such a beautiful nature we have. Fine. So and in different fruits also we will find it out. So let's take another next picture. Okay. Now tell me, can you tell what this might come from? Any guesses? कहाँ से ये पैटर्न आया है? कैन यू टेल मी? एनी गेसेस? कोई आइडिया कि ये पैटर्न कहाँ से आता है? ये वाला पैटर्न जो है विच यू आर looking at the screen right now, from where it is coming? So let's see from where we found this pattern. This is actually wood. It comes from wood. If you will see the bark of that tree, that is forming that kind of a pattern. अगर आपका wood का एक log होता है, उसको cut करते हैं in the pieces, you will find this kind of a pattern. So let's see another pattern. Now all these are patterns. See, from the flowers you can form. Flowers are forming different kind of a pattern. Pink, pink, pink. Different kind of a pinks were there. Different color flowers are there, and they all are forming some kind of a pattern in it. Now let's start. What other pattern can you think of from nature? What other pattern can you think? So let's see few more pattern from our nature. See this. Now the first screen which you can see here, which I was talking about, this one, that is of zebra. Sorry, that is of tiger. Fine. And another one is this one. It is of flowers, and this kind of a pattern also you can see in the sky. Ladybug also you can see this kind of a pattern, and in your beautiful grass also you will find looking some of the pattern. So what other pattern we have, that we will see from our book, that what different pattern others we can find it out. So children, let's see a few more pattern. So kids, let's start patterns from our book. That how many patterns? As I told you earlier only, patterns are what? Pattern is a design that is repeated and is used to decorate something. In nature you will find it out different pattern, as I shown you just now, that in zebra you will find that stripes pattern. In tiger also you will find one of that pattern, and in giraffe also you will find, even in leaf, different plants also you will find some kind of a pattern. So here in your book you have been given with different pattern, as you can see in your book. See, different pattern from our nature we have seen. We have taken different pattern from our nature, we have taken in a book. Now you are supposed to match it. Now the first pattern is that kind of a greenish circle. If you can see here in the book, here the first picture, these are quite unique pattern of some fruit. This picture is of a very important fruit and quite unique fruit is it. So can you make any guess? Yes. Okay. So that is kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit which is brown from outside. Kiwi is a fruit which is brown from outside and green from inside. And when you will cut that fruit, you will find it out that this kind of a green part, and inside it you can see the seeds. Inside that kiwi fruit you have these seeds. You can see this picture closely. See, green kind of a structure you have, and then green black seeds were there. So that is a picture of pattern of kiwi fruit. Now kiwi fruit is quite important fruit, and it is used to make our immunity strong, which nowadays is quite necessity of us. Now number 2 is a picture or pattern, that is what? This pattern? Yes, that is butterfly pattern. Fine. So what we will write here, number 2 is the pattern related to your butterfly pattern. Fine. Now we'll come to our third one pattern, and the third one pattern is quite interesting. As you can see here, इधर पे देखिए ऐसे ऐसे करके आपको feathers मिले हुए हैं, यहाँ feathers हैं, and if you will see these feathers are of peacock, and peacock is a national bird, and peacock is quite a beautiful bird. ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड है पीकॉक, नेशनल बर्ड तो हमारी है ही है पीकॉक, बट दैट बर्ड इज क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत सुंदर बर्ड होती है, एंड इट लुक्स क्वाइट नाइस. फाइन. अब पीकॉक को इफ यू विल सी इन योर सराउंडिंग when that peacock was dancing when rain is going to come, and it looks very nice, and that pattern of their feathers, इतने सारे पंख होते हैं पीकॉक के, but they are quite symmetrical, बिल्कुल एकदम एक पैटर्न में फॉर्म होते हैं, and when that feathers will be open you can see a quite good color combination in that feathers of peacock, and such a good pattern you will see in that. So pattern is nothing but a design, or that symmetrical things, or repeatedly we are repeating the same thing again and again. And then for example if I make a pattern, आपने मैथ्स में भी पैटर्न पढ़ा होगा. मैथ्स में पैटर्न जैसे मैंने बनाया, यहाँ पे एक ट्राइंगल बनाया, एक सीधा फिर ऐसे उल्टा, फिर एक सीधा, फिर ऐसे मैंने टर्न अबाउट ऐसे करके बना दिया. फाइन. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज पैटर्न विच इज फॉर्म्ड बाय ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप. तो वो हमारा हो गया मैथ्स में. And here we are talking about the patterns or color combination which we'll find it out, or which we will see in nature, that we are discussing here. Now the next pattern which is quite common, that is आप जो sand होता है, when if you will go in desert area, you will find it out that due to continuous air which is blowing in that area, due to that continuous air क्या होता है कि सैंड के ऊपर दैट काइंड ऑफ ए स्ट्रक्चर विल बी फॉर्म्ड, ऐसे लाइंस करके बन जाती है. तो व्हाट इज दैट लाइंस काइंड ऑफ ए स्ट्रक्चर? दैट इज योर सैंड ड्यून्स. सो सैंड ड्यून्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर्मिंग अ ब्यूटिफुल स्ट्रक्चर. सैंड ड्यून्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर्मिंग अ ब्यूटिफुल स्ट्रक्चर ओवर. सैंड ड्यून्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर्मिंग अ ब्यूटिफुल स्ट्रक्चर ओवर द yes over the sand in desert areas. So that is sand dunes. Now number 5 is a structure, that is shells structure, snails shell structure, because a snail is living inside the shell, and you can easily find it out that structure over the snail. स्नेल के ऊपर एक शेल होता है, शेल के ऊपर इफ यू कैन सी ऐसे शंख की तरह एक स्ट्रक्चर वाज फॉर्मिंग ओवर देयर. सो द फिफ्थ वन इज snails shell. These are the beautiful pattern or that color combination which you will see in your nature, in your surrounding. You can see, if you can find it out different pattern and different fruits also. If you will see fruit of that sugar cane, if you will see, उसमें भी आपको एक पैटर्न दिखेगा. इतने सारे छोटे छोटे ब्लॉक्स की फॉर्म में they were there. And if you will see leaves, then also you will find it out a pattern. If you will see wood, bark of a wood, then also you will find it out a pattern. In nature you can see, or if you will see in stars also, star में अगर आप देखोगे, then in stars also you will find a pattern. स्टार में भी आपको एक पैटर्न देखने को मिलेगा. You will find it out कि ऐसे करके स्टार्स में they were joining, ऐसे करके join हो रहे हैं, like 4 stars are joining like this, and 3 more are there in continuation. Fine. जिसको हम polar star, इसको हम बोलते हैं कि these kind of a stars pattern are also forming in the sky. So these pattern you will see in the sky and in the nature everywhere. So now let's take next pattern that is okay. Now the next pattern is related to, I'll give you one clue and then you will give the answer. Now the last pattern, next pattern is related to, ये देखेंगे. Fine. What is this? ये देखो. What is this? If you have your book, आप book में भी देख सकते हो. 6 number पे what is that pattern? Okay, I'll give you clue. From this pattern we will be getting honey. Honey कहाँ से मिलती है हमें? Yes, correct. Honey we are getting from honeybee. Honeybee से मिलती है. And this is the pattern of beehive. Beehive मतलब जो मधुमक्खियों का जो घर होता है, house of honeybees. House of honeybee is called beehive. House of honeybee is called beehive. अभी beehive से we are getting honey. Honey is very good for our health, for our immunity, and such a beautiful pattern. आप ऐसे ऐसे करके, if you have seen that kind of a pattern, if you have seen that honeybee वाले के honeybee के घर का pattern, if you have seen, ऐसे ऐसे करके बना रहता है pattern. See this? ऐसे ऐसे करके pattern बना रहेगा. And they are interconnected. वो बीच में आपका एक दूसरे से जुड़े रहते हैं. फाइन. तो ऐसे करके आपका एक स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है हनी बी का. एंड दे वर इंटरकनेक्टेड विद दैट. एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड रहते हैं हनी बी का. एंड फ्रॉम हनी बी, honey is very good for our health, that we all are knowing it. Apart from that, honeybee is making that honey with flower nectar. Flower nectar क्या होता है, that I have told you earlier also. शायद मैंने बताया आपको पहले भी. चलिए मैं फिर से बताती हूँ कि फ्लावर्स का जो जूस होता है, आपने देखा होगा हनी बी इज सिटिंग ऑन दैट फ्लावर, है ना. तो वो वहां पे बैठ करके एंड देन दे सक द फ्लावर लिक्विड, जिसको हम नेक्टर बोलते हैं. फ्लावर लिक्विड जो होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, नेक्टर. एंड दे suck that flower nectar and then they will store that flower nectar in their beehive. वहां पे स्टोर करके रखते for a long period. And with a chemical reaction of storing it for a long duration, उसको काफी लंबे टाइम तक स्टोर करने पे that will be converted into honey. Fine, that will be converted into honey, and that honey only we are using for ourselves. So this kind of a beautiful pattern you can see from beehive. आप beehive से honey bees जो वहाँ पे रहती हैं, जो उनका घर होता है, उसको हम beehive बोलते हैं. And from there you can see, you can find it out, this kind of a pattern, beautiful pattern, yellow color का होता है, and sometime that will be of dark brown color also. Now the next pattern is related to, yes, once again next pattern is related to one of the fruit. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि all the fruits are having some kind of a pattern. In fact, if you will find it out, bananas को ले लीजिए, तो banana को कट करते हैं, you will find out a beautiful pattern in that banana. Similarly, अभी ये जो next number 7 है, that pattern you are getting from a fruit whose name is, if you will see in your book, you will find it out कि ये pattern किसका है. ठीक है. तो what is that pattern? This pattern is of pineapple. Number 7 is the pattern of pineapple. Now again, pineapple is quite important food which is used in cooking, baking, making sweet dishes, and for eating like that only. Different minerals, vitamins we are getting from pineapple. Quite important fruit, that is pineapple. So number 7 is pineapple. Now the next is what? Okay, now the next is a pattern which I was talking right now. अभी मैं आपसे बात कर रही थी और about this pattern, that is of one animal which is a national animal. Yes, correct. The pattern is of tiger. The pattern is of number 8, that is tiger. Now number 9. Number 9 again is a pattern of one of the animal which is having stripes of black and white. Yes, correct. The correct answer is number 9 is zebra. Number 9 is zebra. Now come to number 10. Number 10 is again what I was talking about. Stars का ऐसा pattern होता है sky में. If you will see in sky, you will find it out different pattern in that sky. तो now the next picture is related to that only. वो sky का picture है. तो what is that picture? Number 10, that is snowflake. Number 10 is snowflake. ऐसे जब बर्फ पड़ती है तो वो स्काई का जो पैटर्न होता है, दैट शाइनिंग पैटर्न यू कैन सी. ये देखो स्नोफॉल में होता है ऐसे करके पैटर्न. दिस काइंड ऑफ ए फ्लावरी पैटर्न यू कैन सी इन स्नोफ्लेक्स. फाइन. So this is what page number 70, and we have seen different pattern from our book. First pattern which we have seen, that is kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit which is very good for our immunity, and that is of brown color. When you will cut it into half, then you will find it out that green color pattern inside that fruit. Now number 2 is the beautiful pattern of butterfly. Butterfly, if you will see in our nature, that is of different color. Now number 3 is peacock. Peacock is also forming a beautiful pattern like with the feathers. If when a peacock will open their feathers, then you can find it out a different and beautiful pattern in their feathers. Number 4, sand dunes. In desert area, due to continuous air in desert area, you can find it out different sand dunes. ठीक है, वो रेत के ऊपर ऐसे निशान से पड़ जाते हैं, ऐसे धारियां सी बन जाती हैं. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाट सैंड ड्यून्स. नंबर 5 इज स्नेल्स शेल. स्नेल, अगर आप स्नेल देखोगे तो उसके ऊपर अच्छा सा सुंदर सा पैटर्न बना रहता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज स्नेल्स शेल्स. नाउ नंबर 6. Number 6 is beehive, where honey bee lives. Honey bee कहाँ रहती है? beehive में रहती है, and there they produce honey. तो beehive is also forming a beautiful pattern. Now number 7 is pineapple. Number 7 is pineapple. Now pineapple is also forming a beautiful pattern. अगर आप पाइनएप्पल को बाहर से आप देखोगे तो उसके बाहर में कितना सुंदर पैटर्न आपको बना हुआ दिखाई देगा. Now number 8 is a beautiful pattern of we can see on the skin of tiger. येलो एंड ब्लैक स्ट्रिप्स में आप देख पाते हो, बहुत ही सुंदर पैटर्न लगता है टाइगर का. Similarly with the zebra also, a stripe of black and white you can see over the zebra. And snowflake, अब जब बर्फ पड़ती है इन द स्नोई एरिया, यू विल फाइंड इट आउट दिस स्नोफ्लेक विच इज क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल. स्नोफ्लेक वाला जो आपका एरिया होता है, दैट इज क्वाइट ब्यूटीफुल. ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है स्नोफ्लेक वाला एरिया. So I hope you have enjoyed this class, that is page number 70 which we have done. Now children, we will do introduction of our unit 3 which is related to science and technology. So now unit 3 is related to science and technology. Now what we are going to do it in that science and technology, let's see. So children, now we'll start our unit 3 that is related to science and technology. So now children, we will find it out page number 10, parts of a body, which is our first topic in science and technology. Now unit 3 is science and technology. Science and technology means the things which we study related to science and related to that new technology or new things, fine, which are going to be invented or which were invented in our life or in our country. So that we are going to find it out. Now in this we have our first topic, that is parts of body. So now today we are going to do about different parts of body which were used for doing that activity. So children, first of all we will talk about our 5 sense organs, that is your eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Fine. These are your 5 sense organ. Now eye is used to see, nose is to smell, ear is to hear, tongue is to taste and skin is to feel. We have 5 sense organ, that is very important. We have eyes. Now what is the function of eyes? That is to see. Eyes to see, ear to hear, nose to smell, then tongue, then tongue is to taste. Tongue is to taste and skin or hand to feel. These are 5 sense organ. You have to take care or you have to learn it all like that. Eyes to see, ear to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to feel. Fine. So these are our 5 sense organ, and today we are going to see in our parts of body chapter how we are going to use these 5 sense organ. Eyes to see, ear to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste and skin to feel. So now children, will start our page number 10. From page number 10 you have been given with words or that parts of body and what is the function of that parts of body, that we will see. So one by one I'll write the parts of body and you are going to tell me that what is the function of that particular part of that body. So now first is nose. Now what is the function of nose? To smell. Yes, to smell. Now number two is eye. Now what is the function of eyes? To, correct, that is to see. Now come to number 3 is your hand. Hand to do work. Hand is used for what? किस लिए करते हैं हम यूज? टू डू वर्क, काम करने के लिए, टू डू वर्क. फाइन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज योर टंग. टंग इज यूज टू टेस्ट. टंग इज यूज टू टेस्ट. Now number 5 is what? Ear. Now ear is used to hear, which I have told you. That's why only I have told you all the 5 sense organ. 5 sense organ मैंने अभी ये start करने से पहले exercise why should I told you? क्योंकि अभी हमें ये exercise में we are going to use all these 5 sense of organ. Now number 6 is your feet. Feet किस लिए हम use करते हैं? To play. Yes. Feet is used to walk, to play, to jump, to run. To walk, to jump or run. Fine. For doing all these activity we required feet. So these 6 organs have been given in your book, that is page number 10. First is nose. Nose is used to smell. Then you have eyes. Eyes is used to see. Hand. Hand is used to do work. Tongue is used to taste, क्योंकि tongue के ऊपर ही you have your taste buds. Taste buds होते हैं जिसको हम use करते हैं for tasting anything. जब भी हमें किसी चीज़ का टेस्ट करना है then we are using our tongue. Okay, इसमें बहुत मिर्ची है, इस पे ये बहुत मीठा है. Now from where we are getting all these organs? So we are getting from our tongue only. Then ear is to hear. Ear हम किस लिए use करते हैं? To hear. And feet to walk, jump or run. So these parts of body we have done are unit 3, page number 10. So I hope you all have understood about different parts of body. So here we will finish our class today, and then we will meet again in our next class. So children, that's all for today. Have a good day.